Hi everyone. I'm just going to do a quick little in-service on how to use the ear thermometer, okay? This is what it looks like, and there's two buttons on the front, and then here there's a button on the back. Now you always need an ear shield for using this, and then you need to change it. But if it's going to be for like one resident in the room, you can keep the same ear shield instead of changing them. So it's important that you put the ear shield on, and it's just like a little plastic applicator, and it just goes over the part that goes into the ear. When you are done with that ear shield, if you're not keeping it on for the same resident, this is the eject button, and it gets rid of the little ear shield. So just gangway on where you point it. Okay, so we have the ear shield on, and then we need to turn and activate the thermometer on, and you'll see the last temperature reading, which was 99.2, and you'll see lines. You put it in the ear, and then you press this button, blue button, and you will see a yellow flashing light. When it's done taking the temperature, it'll do a beep, 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 but sometimes you can't always hear the beep, beep, beep. So let me show you how it works for me, okay? So of course it says low because it wasn't in an ear. So here we're just gonna press this button to activate it. There are the lines going. I'm gonna put this in my ear, and then I'm gonna press that button, and you just press it once, and you'll see a yellow flashing light, and it already beeped. My temperature is 98.2. That's how quick it is. So let's go over that real quick. You put the plastic ear shield on. You press that to activate it. Put it in the ear. Press this. You see the yellow flashing light. And it'll beep when you're done. And I'm still 98.2. And then when you're done with that, you want to wipe it down with an alcohol wipe to just disinfect in between use. That's it. Thank you.